Friends, let me show you how to easily enable the Hyper-V feature on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC. It's very easy. Before we jump in guys, would you mind take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button? Because this will let me know that you found value within this video. And on top of that, the biggest benefit is that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Now let's continue. So click the Windows key on your keyboard and you want to type in Windows and you will see turn Windows feature on or off. Click on that. Now from here, you want to look down in the list. You will find Hyper-V. It's most likely going to be unchecked because it's unchecked by default. So to enable this, just check this box, click on OK and wait for Windows to search and apply those files. And as you can see, it says apply changes. That's taking a few seconds. And once it's done, just go ahead and restart your PC and you have this feature enabled. And that's it. Very easy and very simple. Here you have it guys. I really hope you found value within this video. And if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.